Guys, we're here again, South Lakes High School, my old high school if you didn't know. And guys, also there's a YouTuber who's pretty big. I'm sure you guys know him. His name is JR Garage or whatever. I gotta park somewhere real quick. But oh, is that 98? I think it might be a 98. The BMW right there. What is that? It is a 98. Alright, I'm gonna park here real quick, waiting for my brother. And I guess, yeah, if you guys didn't know, the YouTuber, his name is JR Garage. He does like also car stuff, of course, garage on it. He went to this high school, and I was watching one of his videos, and I was like, wait, this seems really familiar. And then I look up, and it says South Lakes High School, and I was like, no way. Well, of course. But yeah, we're waiting for Brendan, and then I'll pick him up, and then we'll head to the gym. So let's go. The zoom is so slow in this. There's the Evo. Look at that. Can you believe that's my dream car right there? We just passed by. My dream car. The zoom in this camera, guys, if you buy the G7X or any Canon camera, guys, the zoom is like super slow and it's annoying. Alright, we'll go ahead to the gym. See you guys in a little bit. Actually, we're gonna head to Subway. I'll tell you some Subway. So,
Subway Fox Mill?
No, Subway in Herndon Clock Tower thing.
Is it Clock Tower? This is Subway.
Guys, look at that. It's a Type R. I don't know if it's my friend's, because I might check real quick, because I have the picture. And I'm gonna see if it's the same license plate. Guys, this is not actually my friend's. Look at my friend's. Let me show you. Look. This is my friend's license plate. It's UZ, and that's not it. So it's someone else's. That lives around here too. Has a Type R. Let's go. Alright, we're about to head to advanced auto parts. We're gonna need to get these lights fixed before I start driving at nighttime. I mean, even though I didn't have to go out, but today I work, and I work at the night shift. So I'm gonna need it. I'm not trying to get stopped again for the stupid BS thing that, oh, your lights are out. But let me check around your car real quick. So we're going to drive real quick to Advanced Auto, and then see if we can get a pop. Nope. Alright, so see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we have here the new bulbs. Is a Sylvania, and remember I installed on my old Lancer GTS Sylvanias. Oh, this lady, she's super nice, bro. She helped me out with she helped me out. But we got the Sylvanias. And
going to McDonald's.
She was like, you want it the regular ones, which are like $6, or do you want the $10 ones? These are only $10. This is super bright white, so it's like nice.
Dude, do you want me to help me? I'll take us over there.
Stop shaking the camera. So we're gonna drive home, install this real quick. Should be like super simple installation. And yeah, see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, so we have here, we're about to change the light bulbs to the Sylvanas. Pretty simple. Should be the lights right there. Here's one. You know, if I change the lights and it still doesn't work, it could be. But here's the ralliart. And wow, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah guys, these bright white lights are gonna help out a lot. So let's go. If you guys are Mitsubishi or Ralliart owners, this is the light you have to get, 2825. Alright guys, before we start the installation, I'm gonna of course jump into Fortnite and play some games. But for now, I'm gonna go shower, go eat breakfast. It's still morning. Ooh, my shoulders are killing me. It was a push day, so you know. The screw is really stuck in there. Looks super rusty. I need that to loosen the screw. Alright, we got it out of the little housing, and then here's the bolt. I'm just gonna remove it off. And here's the old one, and we're gonna put in the new one once we get the other side off. how good it looks from over here. I don't know why it's so blurry. We got the new one in there. We're gonna go check, see if it lights up. Oh, there we go. All right. See how strong it is. You can see from here. All right, we're gonna do the other one, and then show you guys at night, I guess, how it looks better tomorrow. Oh shit, I gotta turn the light off. Auto. Put it auto. I always put it in auto. Now we're screwing in the last screw, and we already changed it. So if you're gonna do this, make sure to bring a WD-40 to help you out. We already tested them out, but we're gonna show you guys how it looks now with the plastic on it and everything. Okay. There you go. They're both working, and gonna look great at night. There you have it. All right, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video, and don't freak out. This is just the thing that's on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, guys, have a good one, or see you, whatever you want.